Hi, my name is Kylie, and I am on a journey to travel and cook with locals in every country around the world. The reason why I'm doing this is because I believe that the most important part about travel is building friendships with locals, and that it's a beautiful opportunity to break down stereotypes, change perspective, and really come to understand a different culture, people, country, religion, race, how people live. And one of the best ways to do this is to sit down and eat or cook with local families, or locals who will share their story with you. So this is the journey that I'm on, to travel to every single country in the world and eat and meet and cook and talk and share stories. I hope you join me in this journey.